Hello student, in this video I will solve question number 11 of exercise 11.1. So in this question we have to ask find the equation of the circle passing through the points 2, 3 and -1, 1 and whose center is on the line x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. Okay, so we have to ask the equation of circle. This is a circle passing through two given 2 points. The first is 2, 3 and this is -1, 1 and also say center of the circle. Okay, center of the circle lie on the line. Suppose this is a line x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. Okay, this is a line passing through the center, means center x comma k line on this line. So we have to find the equation of the circle. Okay, so we know the equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r. This is x minus x whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay, this is equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r. Say this is equation number 1 and this equation of circle passing through the point 2, 3 and -1, 1. So we can say circle is passing through points 2, 3 and -1, 1. So we have to satisfy the equation of circle. Okay, so this means the equation will become 2 minus x square whole square plus 3 minus k whole square equal to r square. Say this is equation 2 and other equation this is -1 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square equal to r square. This is equation 3. Now from equation 2 and 3, from equation 2 and 3 here r square common, so we have to eliminate first r square. So this implies 2 minus h whole square plus 3 minus k square equal to 1 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square. Okay, now expanding 2 minus h all the perfect square term by using the identity. So this become 4 plus h square minus 4h plus this is 39 plus k square minus 6k equal to 1 plus h square plus 2h plus 1 plus k square minus 2k. Okay, so we can cancel h square from both the side and k square and remaining left over here this is 9 minus 4h minus 6k equal to here 1 plus 1 2 plus 2h minus 2k. Again simplify this expression by shifting variable h and k on left side. Okay, so above expression become this is minus 4h minus 2h and this is 6 after shifting plus, so this will be this is minus 2h, so this become minus 6h and 6 minus 6k plus 2k minus 4k equal to this is 2 and shifting minus 30 on right side, so this will be minus 30. This implies minus 6h, which here minus is common, plus this is 4k equal to minus 11. This implies 6h plus 4k equal to 11. Okay, here first equation become 6h plus 4k equal to 11. Okay, this is a pair of linear equation in the form of linear equation with two variables, and here center h comma k, same center h comma k lying on the circle. Okay, so here center h comma k lying on x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. So therefore this is h minus 3k minus 11 equal to 0. This is equation number 4 and h equal to 3k plus 11. Say this is equation 5. Now using equation 5 and equation 4, then we have to find one value of the variable. Okay, using equation 5 in equation 4, so this become 6 into 3k plus 11 plus 4k equal to 11. So this is 18k plus 66 plus 4k equal to 11. Here 18k plus 4k, so this will be 22k equal to minus 55 and here k become minus 55 by 22 equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay, the value of k we have to find k equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay, now substituting value of k in equation 5. Okay, so to get the corresponding value of h, so this implies h h equal to 3 into 5 by 2, 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 11, and this is minus 15 plus 22 by 2 equal to 7 by 2. So here h is 7 by 2. The value of h is 7 by 2. So therefore center of the circle we have to find 7 by 2 and minus 5 by 2. Okay. Again substituting the value of h and k in any equation, that is equation 2 and 3. Okay. So this equation become from equation 2 from equation 2 here this is 2 minus h is the value of h is 7 by 2 whole square plus 3 and minus become plus 5 by 2 whole square equal to r square. This implies this is 2 to the 4 minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 to the 6 plus 5 11 by 2 whole square equal to r square. This implies this is 9 by 4 plus by 4 equal to r square, and here r square equal to 130 by 4 is equal to 4 equal to this is 2 to the 4 2 to the 4 and 2 6 are 12 2 5 are 10 65 upon 2. Okay, the radius means r square. Here we have to find r square, value of r square equal to 65 by 2. Okay, by 2. Okay, now using the value of h and k and r square in equation 1. So equation 1 become from equation 1. So this is x minus h is 7 by 2 whole square plus y plus 5 by 2 whole square equal to radius r square is 65 by 2. Now simplify, so this will be x square plus 49 by 4 minus 7x, and this is y square plus 25 by 4 plus 5y equal to 65 by 2. Okay, x square plus 49 by 4 49 by 4 minus 7x plus y square plus 25 plus 5y equal to 65 by 2, and here this will be x square plus y square minus 7x plus 5y equal to 65 by 2, and this is 49 plus 25 9 5 40 65 by 2 minus 74 by 4. Again simplify, so this become x square plus y square minus 7x plus 5y equal to, we are taking 4 as a LCM, so this is 10, 13 minus 74. Okay. Okay, now simplify again. This is y square minus 7x plus 5y and 30. 130 minus 74. So this will be 6, 7 to 5, 4 equal to 4 1 is 4, 4 4 is 16. So 14. Okay. X square plus y square minus 7y plus 5y equal to 14, and again this can be written as y square minus 7x plus 5y minus 14 equal to 0. Okay, x square plus y square minus 7x plus 5y minus 14 equal to 0. So this is finally get equation of circle. Okay, x square plus y square minus 7x plus 5 minus 14 equal to 0. This is required equation of circle passing through the point 2, 3 and minus 1, 1 and center on the line x minus 3 y minus 11 equal to 0. Okay.